Medic, and today I'm gonna be unboxing these wilderness survival stuff. So we have a compass, a survival kit in a can, and we have a whistle. And also, you can do Morse code with it. Let me show you. That's cool. And there's numerals. Okay. So let's start. Okay, let's do the whistle first. I don't want to damage the box because I'm going to read the Morse code on the whistle. Okay, try not to damage. Okay, good. I didn't damage the back. Okay. Oof, it fell. Okay, so we have a whistle, which is pretty neat, and this rope. Okay, let me adjust the camera. Now let's try out the whistle. Okay, if you're wearing headphones or anything, I have a warning. Please lower the volume right now. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that's loud. Ooh. And then we have like a necklace for it. And it comes with a little rubber band. Okay, next. Next we'll be showing you the accurate compass. It's real accurate. Okay. Look, I don't want to, oof, it fell. I don't want to damage the box too. Because, yeah. What does it say on the backs? Back. Okay, it just says how they made it. Okay. Okay, let's see. Wow, this is cool. I always wanted like a real compass. It's an accurate one. Let me show you. And then if you turn it follows. That's cool. Okay, now for the last one, the main one. Been saving for last. It's the survival kit in a can. On the back, it says what there is on it. It says what there is in the can. So, let's see. Let's take this out. Ooh, it fell. So, yeah, let's take it out. Oh, there we go. Now, how do we do this? It looks like a tuna can. We lift this up, and then we pull. Ooh, that's heavy. Not heavy, it's hard. It's hard to pull back and unbox. Okay, how are we gonna do this? This might take a while, so I might speed it. Oh, that's just amazing. Ooh, I hurt myself, so I'm just gonna speed because I need to get some help. I've got it open now. Now let's see what I have. Okay. So let's take this out. So first thing we have is this little can. It looks like tuna. The can looks like tuna, actually. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Oh, it's a strip of duct tape, which is cool. You can duct tape stuff. Now we have a candle, which is cool because we can light fires and whatnot. And let's see what else. Comes with a spare plastic bag, which is neat. And what else? We have matches, which are just amazing. Let me take one out. What do these look like? Let me take one out. Like literally, it comes with the matches, which is amazing. They're waterproof. Okay, let me put it back. Okay, so now what else? So what else do we have? We have some paracord, little rope. That's what that is. Let's see what else we have. We have some wires, which is pretty cool. Oh, they're tangled. 1 minute. Gotta disentangle these. Untangle, I mean. Okay, there. We have some string, some wire, which is cool. And we have this. We have another one. And we also have fire starting cubes. Pretty neat. I have another one. Also comes with another compass, but this compass is sort of not that accurate. Comes with a fishing hook, which is amazing. I haven't seen one in real life before. And we have a needle for sewing. We have 2 nails. Pretty cool. We have some more matches. Let me take them out. Some more. We have a few more matches. And we have this blade, I think. This blade. And there's more. These are, I think, normal ones. And we have whatever this is. I don't know what this is. We have a pen. Pretty neat. And it has, I don't know what this bit is for, but okay. Oh, we have another whistle. Let's test this. Okay, lower the volume. Okay, lower your volume, okay? Yep, this has a very big difference. This is not that great, but okay. Some more matches. Okay, let's see what else we have. We have some pieces of paper if you need to like inform or write something. Now we have the main part, but I'm gonna do this one last. Okay, what else do we have? We have some of these. I don't know what these are. Maybe they're ties or tying some stuff. What else do we have? We have helpful tips to survival in the outdoors. Okay. We have another hook and a signal for signaling. Okay, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and please like and subscribe and share with somebody, you know, that likes survival and outdoors. And bye.